right, here we come to the brand new elevator at Kroger in either Missouri City or Sugar Land. I don't know which, gotta be between there, but I know it's on Riverstone. As you look at this, see, I have that exact same ThyssenKrupp elevator hoistway access keys, which exact same one I have at home in my elevator collection. MAD Atoll fixtures that replaces the Signa4. Let's right, here we go. This is a 4K Handycam take of this. This is for all my friends at ThyssenKrupp Elevator Americas. I hope you enjoy. Let's go to 2. Here we're at 2, let's go on to 1. Door close one works. I love that. Basic, brand new elevator. Watch the button go out. All right, here we're at 1. Ring the bell. Watch it close, there it goes. Door is slow. All right, and that's it.